Alright, bitches, as promised.
We're back! And we're going to make
Shirley Temples!
Okay, so what you will need, we are obsessed with Tipsy Bartender. We're not
There's nothing ice cubes in there.
We're not 21, so we can't do alcohol, but we're gonna try.
We're gonna do something alcoholic with
No alcohol!
Sprite. Woo! And grenadine. And it's somehow magically gonna turn into an alcoholic beverage!
I'm gonna try the spoon trick.
Are you, like, waiting for something to magically pop out of here?
Alcohol. Where's that other tray of ice?
We don't have...
Yeah, there was a white
Oh,
one.
it's under the brown sugar that's in the freezer for... Ew, you're not...
Yeah, these ones can go in there. We don't want our drinks warm. Okay. Add the ice. You're the side bitch. I'm the main.
Well,
lady.
give some conversation.
Don't
now.
put those nasty ones in there. So we're going to add ice to the cup. Approximately 3 ice cubes. Or more, I guess.
That's extremely specific.
I like my things in threes.
There's fucking brown sugar all over this.
These things don't actually do shit.
Why we haven't stopped swearing in this video.
We're angry alcoholics! With no alcohol.
I think half the ice cubes are going on the floor.
Okay.
And you just put some in.
Okay, so we got our ice. Not a lot to make it cold, but it'll have to do.
Nice and fizzy. Oh my god.
I'm gonna let it sizzle because for some reason I shook it.
What are you doing?
Can I do the... And there you have it!
Yeah, but you have to wait till the end. Just pour it and keep it sexy, bitch.
Is that sexy?
It is so sexy.
Look at that, I'm getting it in there. Oh shit, it's overflowing.
It's over.
That can be yours.
Okay.
Oh, it went all the way down.
Holy crap.
What the hell? Hey, Tipsy, why is all our Sprite disappearing?
Okay, pour.
The rest of the Sprite, your madam.
It usually works best when it gets in the cup.
Okay, got it. Now, here's my tempted spoon trick that Alyssa doesn't think I can do.
Well, it's not gonna work because grenadine is heavier than pop. It's going to sink to the bottom.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Don't try to be cool.
We'll just wait and see, I guess.
I've seen Tipsy do it. This looks like damn clock. Oh, shit.
Yeah, you freaking dumb.
It does. Okay, I don't know how much. Taste it. Have it! The Shirley Temple!
I'm gonna pee.
Drink it, bitch, and keep it sexy. Does it need more?
That needs more. Tastes like shit.
You're supposed to be like, tastes great!
Yeah, that needs more.
Yeah, there is a lot of Sprite in there, you can kind of tell.
I'll taste this one.
No, that's mine!
I
You
thought-
don't drink your slobbery ass lips. No, taste it.
This one we should probably put a restricted advisory on. Too much.
Fuck you. All our ice cubes disappeared.
Hey, cheers me, bitch. Do not slam it on.
July tacos at midnight and non-alcoholic drinks. Have a good night.